Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Peyton wig by Margu in the color 6H. Now, yeah, I'm in my bathroom. It's because it's raining outside. The weather decided not to cooperate with me, and the bathroom lighting was frankly amazing. So I'm just gonna run with that. This is one of my favorite ginger brown colors. It's a lovely color. It reminds me a little bit of Noriko's Toasted Brown. A very natural looking ginger brown color, the 6H is, but this isn't about the color, it's about Peyton. So let me get right down to it. The way that they've got the product photos styled for Peyton and the new Hayden, which were released at the same time by Margu, it makes it kind of confusing because they look really similar, and the models got like the exact same facial expression in each photo. So let me just tell you, this looks way different from the Hayden. The Peyton is a little bit shorter, more like a bob. Reminds me a little bit of like Dolce by Noriko, if you've seen that cut. It also reminds me of this new Isla wig from Tony and Beverly. Very similar sort of short, curly, textured bob type cuts. It's kind of like a bob and a shag hybrid. It's a little bit like if Sky from Noriko were longer and had more curl. Very cute style though. It's not quite as short as like Sandy by Noriko. The curls aren't quite as tight. So if you're comparing it to those kinds of wigs in your head, you're not far off. It's just this is a little bit different looking. So now that I've fluffed her up a little bit with my fingers, let me go ahead and show you what Peyton by Margu Naturally Yours looks like on all sides in the 6H color. So you can see she's got a lot of texture, really cute, short little style, longer in the front, just in the front though, because it kind of frames the jawline. It can be swept off like that a little bit if you like, but definitely a shorter style than on their Hayden, which is basically, the Hayden is more like a cut short version of their really popular Kendall wig, which I am in love with, and I like Hayden a lot too. It's a beautiful cut. So let's talk some specs. Peyton is 7 inches at the bang. You can kind of tell she's got this face frame and layering thing going on. The ear tabs, the nape hair is 4 inches, so she's definitely a shorter style, right above the shoulders really. The overall length from the crown down is 10.5 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and take Peyton off now so I can show you the cap construction. Peyton is a monofilament top lace front wig that has felt on the ear tabs, an extended felt nape, and she's open wefted on the sides and the back. Let me check for some permatease, see if she's got some. She's got a little teeny bit of it right here at the crown, but the hair just kind of falls over it. So she does have sort of a natural bump it back here in the back. And you may have seen that. She had quite a bit of volume back there when I did my 360. The texture is very pretty, relaxed and loose, especially when you play with her a little bit. Again, reminds me a lot of Dolce. Very pretty wig, easy to wear. I'm gonna go ahead and put her back on now. Peyton weighs 3 ounces, so very nice, lightweight style, easy to wear. The lace front is a little bit of a thicker lace front, so if you're one of those people that doesn't like the lace fronts that start off sparse and then get thicker towards the mono features, this one doesn't do that. She definitely has a thicker lace front. I'm gonna go ahead and puff her up just a little bit so you can sort of see the volume you can get with this one. Man, I feel like I should be wearing pearls. But this one's a lot of fun. She's got a lot of potential. The cap is very comfortable on me. I love these Margu monofilament top caps. They are very nice and stretchy. They tend to fit me very comfortably. My circumference, for the record, is 23.5 inches. So I appreciate the extra accommodation there in the cap. And there you have it. So this is the luscious Peyton wig by Margu Naturally Yours. in one of my favorite ginger brown colors, 6H, which is really nice and warm without looking too auburn. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. If you like what we do here, bathroom reviews and all, please be sure to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd visit my store, you know, if you have a free moment, and support what we do here. And until next time, I hope you have a really great afternoon. Bye-bye.